Going to be an update on Bitcoin and also the coins that we're in. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I want you to notice something between what's going on right now in the market and Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, bullish, coming down, coming up, broke the level, bearish. Oh, never mind, bullish. Okay, we're up here again. Now it's not looking so strong. We're doing pretty much like a lower high, and it's looking weak. And right around here, I'm thinking we have a really good chance of breaking below this, going below this, and then pretty much this right here, and getting a bearish retest coming down. And however, we came down and we bounced right off of this trend line. Again, this trend line is very strong, in my opinion. And here I'm thinking we're going to come down. But instead, it bounced, and then now it's starting to come up. So now it's not looking as weak. It's not looking strong for sure, but it's not looking as weak as I thought here. I thought for sure we're going to come down. Well, higher chance. Then sure enough, it's doing this. So right now, again, it's not looking strong, but instead of looking weak, it's looking Now, keep that in mind. So this gives us hope for the longs. This right here gives us tremendous hope for the longs, because now instead of it being, oh, well, we're underneath the resistance, we got to fight. Instead of that, we're above this high. So again, this is showing hope. Now, let's look at our trades. Let's look at the market. So this is on the hourly time frame. So everything I just showed you was on the hourly. Here's BNB. Here's our trade that we're in. We're doing really nicely on it. This one's looking so-so. Now, what we could do is we could hedge against our trades. And in order to short here, what we would do is we would actually, I would wait more so for this level to break for us to short. And actually, I'm going to put an alert so that we could potentially short, again, doing a hedge trade. So we're going to go set alert. We're going to set the alert, and then we're actually going to adjust the alert with text and then put short question mark. Always a question mark. There we go. Now the next one is Aerodrome. Now this one we do not have a stop loss on. This, I forgot what I was doing, and I believe it was, if you want to change your trade, you could. If you wanted to do it as a trade, you would do, your stop loss here underneath this zone. For our setup, we do not have a stop loss because this is a longer term hold. This is a 2-month hold. So on our long-term holds, we don't have stop loss. We have lower entries, but not stop losses, just in case something like this happens. Now here, look at this. Now remember what Bitcoin looked like for the past, several hours. Here, looking good, potential, and strong. Kind of looking kind of weak. And then it bounces here. Okay, giving us hope. Now, so look at Aerodrome. Dump City. Not looking good. Then same thing with this one, KT8. Now this one's a very small market point. Let's go to the next one. Look at this one. So right now, these coins, they were looking good, right around here, hourly time frame, nice, going up because Bitcoin was looking nice. And then just recently, past maybe 12 hours or so, starting to come down, same thing right here. They're not looking like Bitcoin was looking. I would see how Bitcoin's kind of looking like it wants to find support here and roll up. For these coins, it looks like it wants to find support, and then it's like, no. So like, here's another one for, in case, we want to do some shorts, some hedge trading. So this would be another one. And then we would actually have our alert right here. So set alert, and then actually set the alert. And then for this one, it would be for a short, and always do a question mark afterwards. So this one, I'm actually going to put, well, I'll just leave it alone. I'll do that later. I was gonna put a different flag so I can know to go back to it. For Sui, Sui's ready for a short right now. Well, after the candle closes. But Sui, same thing. So basically what I'm trying to show you is the comparison between the strength, the possible, continuation to the upside. And then right here, I thought we were going to come down, but we found strength and coming up. But again, this is the weekend. We're starting to come down, but all of these coins, good Lord. Now, the only coin that we're in is shorts. Look at, man, how funny is this? The only coin we're in is shorts. When we were here, I did an update on the market. And I said, well, this one, it looks like we might get stopped out just because of how the current market was at that time. We might get stopped out, but this is a horrible coin. I don't like this coin, and, it may come down. And then sure enough, it came back down in here. Oh, good, awesome. Then it started coming up, and it started coming down. Did another video here saying, pretty much the same thing, that, we're going to give it some room just in case it does this and comes down, and then maybe rolls over. Instead, what does it do? It goes up, and then boop, stops us out. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Comes down, and then does this. It's like, seriously, our only one short. And right now, the market is looking like it wants to dump on us. And this poop coin stops us out. That's just ridiculous. So let me get this moving down here. So let's look at stacks. Stacks coming down. Let's see here. And again, all these are on the hourly time frame. So stacks are opportunity. Let's say here. And I think, and again, these we're in longs on these coins, but we can always hedge against them. And I'm going to be looking at, so this right here is a good, let me change the color on this. This right here is a good zone that is created. And it broke below the zone. So this one, it could be a good short. And we'll move our stop loss up for sure. Virtuals, we're almost done. Oh, we are in another short. So virtuals got stopped out. We got stopped out. And were we in profit? Yeah, we're in profit on this one. So this one we got in profit. And then Moon Deck, short, 15-minute. And for this one, our safer entry was right here. See how the price came down and then it bounced up and then it came down, it broke below this. So this is a safer entry, thinking that potentially the price could have, again, we don't know, the price could have come up to here, 50% of this leg to come down again. So, oh no, wait, we haven't done it yet. Here's our safer entry. So look at that, man, I can't make this stuff up. Look at this bounce here, bounce here. So the safer entries coming up. This looks really good. And if I was looking at this to maybe enter, I'd be looking at this really close because more than likely it's going to happen very soon. All right, so that's all I got. I do thank you. Again, this is an update on just pretty much everything. Do we get into Doge? I thought we got into Doge. Doge is a short. We did get into Doge. Doge is a short. I believe we've gotten to it yesterday too. And for this one, same thing, aggressive entry, kind of going sideways, doing nothing, being very boring, but now due to the market, this may roll over. However, I don't like the fact that it's trying to bounce right here, especially with the market not looking good. It's like, seriously, the only other short that we're in, and you want to look not bad. So let's just put a white. So let's see if it comes up and comes down. So let's see if it does something like this. Or it comes up here, and then it comes down, and then we do this. All right, so that's all I got, guys. I do thank you so much. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment on the video, and I do thank you. We'll see you on the next videos, and take care. See ya.